In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the white balance in Snapseed. So let's start off by importing an image to Snapseed. Let's click on the plus icon and choose a photo. So I'm going to continue with this one. And once you import your photo, you want to click on the tools option located at the bottom of the screen. So from now on, you guys gonna choose the fourth option, which is white balance. You want to click on that. And from here, guys, you want to click on the settings icon located right in the middle bottom of the page. You want to click on that. So we got two options here. First one is temperature, second one is tint. Make sure you choose the temperature. So you gotta hold your finger on the screen and move it to the right or left. When you move your finger to the left, it's gonna make the photo cooler. When you move it to the right, it's gonna make the photo warmer. So you gotta adjust this to your liking. I think minus 20 21 looks good on this photo. Now we gotta adjust the tint as well. So you want to click on the settings icon again and choose tint. So again, you gotta move your finger to the right or left to your liking. When you move to the left, it's gonna make the photo a lot more greener, and when you move to the right, it's gonna make your photo more pink. So you gotta adjust this to your liking. I think the character, since the character is in the forest, I think making it a little bit more green makes sense and makes it look better. I think this is fine. Minus 25 looks good on this photo. So once you're all done with your adjustings, you want to click on the check mark icon in order to save your changes. You want to click on that, and that is it, guys. This is how you change white balance in Snapseed. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.